What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in to another YouTube video with your boy B Rose. You know I stay coming for you hoes. So I had to hop on this one real quick just to see what all the hype was about, because y'all are going completely nuts over this Popeyes sandwich and fighting over the other competitors' sandwich. So I know what the other one tastes like. I'm gonna be the judge of that to see exactly whether or not it's better or not, and we'll go from there. Here, check it out. So let me tell you a little story about about me getting this sandwich. I was like, okay, let me see what all the hype is about, and I'm gonna go ahead and stop by because I got some time today. So I stopped there, and the line is wrapped. Okay, wrapped. Around the building. All right, Popeyes, y'all promo on fleek. I see y'all getting it in. Look at the line inside. That's crazy. I'm like, Popeyes getting them some good clout right now up top of these sandwiches, because the line is wrapped. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go in. As I'm walking in, I'm on FaceTime with my homegirl. She's like, is that my mama right there? And guess what? It was my homegirl, Kawana mama. For real. I thought it was gonna be a joke and it wasn't gonna be her. But it was. I said, won't he do it? Because, honey, when I went to go walk towards that door, that line was nuts.
What you doing?
I'm getting in the car with you.
No, hell you ain't.
Yes, I am.
All right, bye.
I got to get in the car with you.
Bye, Jill.
Because this line too long. I can't wait this long. It's too much. Open the door. Open the door, Martha.
That line on the inside ain't no joke.
Nuts. So we got in line. Her mama, I'm in the car with my homegirl mama. We get up to the window. The lady say, I got 2 orders. I said, no, you don't. You got 1 order. She gonna say, no, I got 2 orders. She's talking about, you must be paying. I said, yes, I am. So she like, okay. And we can go ahead and get our food. I'm greedy. So I went ahead and got 2 different things, because I saw something else that was on a little special that I wanted. It sound good. I think I'm gonna try it. It sound good. I think I'm gonna try it.
You got a fork? Well, no. Yeah, come on.
Give me a spicy chicken sandwich.
Okay.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Mike Brown back and take the order.
No.
2 spicy chicken sandwiches.
2 spicy chicken sandwich, please.
And what's that thing we just saw on the thing?
Oh, you got it.
Where is it?
Right here, Brian.
Oh,
Hold on.
So 2 spicy chicken sandwiches
2 spicy chicken sandwich.
and $5 double dipper Parmesan ranch.
And 5 what?
$5 double dipper Parmesan ranch.
Give me the $5 double dipper Parmesan ranch.
Yeah, we can see it. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that was good. So I ate half of it. So anyways, we got our food after our complicated order. And I look inside my bag, and my my other meal comes in a package, but my spicy chicken sandwich comes in paper in a bag. So when I got home, unfortunately, my sandwich was not warm enough for me to be able to immediately eat. That way I can make my YouTube video. I had to reheat it in the oven. And that's exactly what I did. And I'm tearing it up now. So, I guess let's get on to the sandwich. So, before I start diving into this second half, I'm going to go ahead and tell you how I feel about it already. So, I think that it's thicker, it's more meaty, it's full, it's flavorful. I honestly forgot how much it was. I'll find the price and I'll put the link in the comments. But I think it was pretty good. I think it is pretty good. I'm sorry. I actually think it's pretty good. So I'm just gonna do this half, not drown in so much hot sauce, so I can get into the flavor just a little bit more, because it did have flavor, but I'm extra, so I always add hot sauce on top of anything all the time. Anyways, regardless, it don't even matter if it's drowned in hot sauce already. I'm gonna add some hot sauce. It's routine. Don't judge me. It's a meaty, thick meat. And when you're eating, what you don't want to do is choke. So that's why you want to have some meaty and thick and juicy meat. So if I could scale it, I guess 1 to 10, I would give it a 9. Now, what I do need is jalapenos. Now, I know that everybody don't like jalapenos. I know everybody don't like their mouth on fire and their mouth hot and all that, but that's my preference. And what I like is jalapenos. So, I'm mad at myself because I was at Walmart and I should have got some jalapenos, but I didn't. And jalapenos would have topped this off perfectly. If I would have had some jalapenos on top of this, baby, this would have been a tea setup. And I like it. It's definitely crunchy, tasty, and flavorful. And the bread is not thin either. You know, they give you thin bread, honey, and then the thick piece of meat. So the meat is actually kind of a little hefty, but girl, they don't give you no bread. Where's the bread? That's why they give you that little flat envelope package, because they know that the bread is either it's flat bread. They might as well call it a flat chicken sandwich. But no, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. All right, time to get back in. Oh, I need some hot sauce. I ain't got no more hot sauce. Oh, I can open this, try this out. So this is blackened ranch. My homegirl put us onto this today because she kept on bugging me and her mama to get blackened ranch. And my first go round wasn't that great. I will say that the flavor was great, but it didn't feel like ranch. It felt like juice. Now, I don't know if that just came from the heat from the food or what heated the kitchen. I don't know, but whatever. So, the consistency of this one looks a little bit less oily, because at first it was really oily looking, but it looks a little bit more creamy now. I don't think you can see it, but it looks a little bit more creamy now, but Forget it. I'm always making a mess, so. Ooh. Oh, Lord. Woo, that was good. I do want to thank you all so much for tuning in to my YouTube channel again. It's your boy B Rose, and y'all already know I stay coming for you hoes. Okay. Period.